Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN Index S2 Scale. In this video I'll show you how to update software. In the beginning, the software update can be located on the GARMIN app. Right here. If the setup and software are enabled, the software update will be automatically downloaded. If you want to download software update manually, firstly, remove the battery cover on the scale. Replace the batteries. Next, press and hold the reset button while inserting the battery. So, remove the battery, press and hold reset button and install the battery. Let go of the reset button once the scale turns on, approximately 2 seconds. Once the scale is turned on, press the reset button to cycle through the screens. Stop on the screen displaying gear icon. Let me do it one more time. Okay, so once we are on the gear, press the reset button to cycle, and now press and hold the reset button until you see gear icon flashes. Release the reset button. Your scale will proceed to display sequence of 3 progress bar as it completed software update. During update, do not remove the battery. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.